When Candela came out with the first pulse dye laser, the pulse dye laser, it was a huge advancement for medicine itself.
When Candela came into the marketplace, they changed the marketplace. They stepped onto the stage as the leader. They have remained the leader throughout the time they've been here.
With the development of the first pulse dye laser, Candela set the gold standard for the treatment of vascular lesions. Now, Candela, the world's leader, raises the bar again, setting a new standard in cosmetic laser therapy. Introducing the new VBeam family of lasers with the ability to treat vascular and pigmented lesions.
The new generation VBeam laser is literally a leap in technology over the previous generation VBeam.
Not only is the new VBeam more versatile than ever, great results can be achieved without purpura, which means no downtime for patients, thanks to Candela's revolutionary new 8 micropulse technology.
Instead of putting all the energy into one small micropulse, at a half of a millisecond approximately, what it does is divide that energy up into smaller pulses that can be divided up over a longer period of time, so you can separate in different times. So what it does, it allows us to deliver a larger amount of energy, but never get to the peak energy threshold that would give us purpura.
In addition to the new micropulse technology, there is also an innovative pigmented lesion handpiece designed to selectively target epidermal pigmentation.
This enables the energy to be directed specifically to the pigmented structures without any interaction with vascular structures, thus obviating the development of bruising or purpura.
It really has added another dimension to the pulse dye laser of treating pigmented lesions. And it's been great, because what we do with that is we apply it to the pigmented lesions, and with compression, we basically remove all the blood that's underneath it. So when we shine the light out of the laser on the pigmented spot, there's no blood that it addresses underneath, so you get no potential bruising. We can use higher energies, and it basically gets absorbed by the pigment.
The ability to deliver higher fluences without purpura increases the effectiveness of the treatment. It eliminates downtime and increases patient satisfaction, in many cases reducing the number of treatments that will be required. The good news for physicians is that through Candela's exclusive Pathways program, you'll have more flexibility than ever before to choose the right technology to fit the needs of your practice. The new VBeam is completely upgradable. The Aesthetica, for skin rejuvenation, eliminating reds and browns. The Platinum, for vascular lesions. And the Perfecta, for rejuvenation, vascular lesions, and pigmented lesions. Each member of the VBeam family features Candela's patented dynamic cooling device, the DCD, enhancing patient comfort and safety during treatment.
It's a much easier system typically to use. It's obviously used primarily as a mode for epidermal preservation, so that you're not altering the surface of the skin during laser treatments. And by having this integrated into the laser, you're not having to use some outside source such as a messy gel or some other type of cooling device, and it's much more effective.
The DCD, for patient comfort and safety.
Obviously, it's very costly the more lasers that you buy, so the more effective one laser can be on a variety of different applications, obviously the more that's going to be an attractive thing for a potential buyer.
The entire family of VBeam lasers features micropulse technology and a new smart user interface with on-screen treatment guidelines, making treatments simple and easy.
For this lesion, you hit a button, it's a spider vein, boom, tells you what to do. It's a facial vein, boom, tells you what to do. It's incredibly easy to use. As for the new VBeam, it's awesome. I mean, it's revolutionized my practice. It's brought a lot of people who couldn't deal with bruising. It's brought them into my practice and allowed me to treat them in a way that's quick and easy. I can do it with one machine now. I can do brown spots. I mean, it's awesome. I love it.
But just the utility of the laser on a day-to-day basis and being able to treat patients without causing significant purpura has been huge.
In my practice, there isn't a day that goes by when I don't use the pulse dye technology or the Perfecta several times a day, many times a day.
I think Candela did a great thing by adding the ability to treat pigment with the new VBeam.
Candela's products have been the gold standards, and they've become the gold standards for a reason.
They've basically just added on to an already great laser.
They're technologies that work, they're technologies that are safe, and they're technologies that ultimately lead to better clinical outcomes.
The VBeam in general is the workhorse of my office.
Candela, the technology you want, the flexibility you need. Candela.